Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Goa vlog. We went on a 3-day trip to Goa and I will share with you all the details. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. I have already uploaded first part of this vlog, so you can check the link in the description box. You can also check out my travel vlog playlist for more such videos. We spent our second day at Goa at Pride Sun Resort and Spa. This property is a 10-minute walk from Casa Beach. It's also within walking distance of popular night markets of North Goa. Right at the entrance there is a statue of sun god Helios. This resort has its own spa so you can relax and rejuvenate yourself over the weekend. Let me give you a room tour. All the rooms at this resort feature a living and dining area as well as a kitchenette. This resort offers standard, superior and premium rooms and you can get this within a budget of 3,000 per night. The beautifully designed rooms offer a fantastic view of the swimming pool. This resort is very close to beaches like Baga, Anjuna and Kalingut and is ideal for travelers who would like to explore true beauty of Goa. The best part of this resort was that it had a very large swimming pool area. After exploring the resort for quite some time, we decided to go for lunch to Burger Factory, which is situated at Anjuna, Goa. This place is usually crowded and you can expect to wait for an hour, but the taste justifies it all. It is a must-visit place to try out juicy and delicious burgers if you are in Goa. The burger prices start from 150 and can go up to 500. After finishing our lunch, we thought of taking a stroll to the local Goa market. Goa flea market and other local shops offer you everything at a very reasonable price. You will find hundreds of stores selling jewelry, clothes, footwear and wall hangings. After a lot of shopping, we went to Anjuna Beach, which is one of the most popular beaches in Goa. At night, Anjuna Beach offers great scenic beauty and is ideal for watching a full moon. This beach stretches for almost 2 kilometers and is famous for its water sports activities and Wednesday flea market. You can enjoy delicious food at the beach shacks of Anjuna Beach like Curly's, Shiva Valley, Tantra cafes and a lot more. Anjuna Beach is a great place to hang out with friends and family if you're looking for a peaceful and less crowded space. We spent our day 3 at Casa Ahana, which is a villa-style hotel and is situated at Vagatur, Goa. Popular beaches of Anjuna, Vagatur and Chapora are within a 15-minute drive from the property. The hotel prices range from 3,000 to 4,000 depending on the season. It is an excellent property in North Goa with serene environment and accessibility to popular nearby beaches. It's a very huge and beautifully maintained resort. There is every amenity you would want in a resort. Big rooms, bathtubs, huge and beautifully maintained balconies. There is so much greenery around this resort that makes you feel at home. This resort has lovely tropical gardens and the view from the balcony is really amazing. You can also rent a scooty or car from this resort and they also provide cab services to airport. We took a stroll of the entire property and then had our lunch at the resort itself. The food quality was really good and prices were also reasonable. After having our lunch, we decided to sit by the swimming pool for some time. We spent an hour there just looking at the view and sipping cold coffee by the pool. I recommend that you visit this place between November and March when the weather is quite pleasant. Well, some people also like the lushness of the monsoon season, although it's much quieter and not many things are open. This resort has nice cozy vibes because of its beautiful swimming pool view. The whole private villa concept makes this resort a perfect place for a peaceful vacation. We loved our stay here. The food was awesome and also great service by the staff. The pool view was also great. We look forward to visit this hotel again. I totally recommend this resort for a peaceful stay at Goa. The resort's ambience is awesome and fairy lights at night make it even more beautiful. After that, we decided to go to Colva beach at South Goa for its beautiful sunset view. Even after sunset, there was such a nice atmosphere that we chose to stay a few hours at the beach. We had few snacks at some of the local restaurants of South Goa and they were really delicious. After that, we went for our dinner to Curly's, which is a very famous beach shack at Goa. It has a very lively atmosphere and is a popular party place. With this, our 3 days Goa trip comes to an end and finally it's time to go home. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my Goa vlogs, so please subscribe to my channel. I'll soon be back with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.